Have you ever wondered what keeps our Earth running like a well-oiled machine? Imagine, if you will, a colossal engine, not made of gears and pistons, but of air, water, rock, and life. This is our Earth, a complex system tirelessly and invisibly working to sustain us. First, there's the atmosphere, a thin blanket of air wrapping our planet, shielding us from the harshness of space and regulating our climate. Next is the hydrosphere, all of Earth's water, flowing in a grand cycle from the sky to the land and back again, sustaining life and shaping our landscapes. Then we have the geosphere, the solid Earth beneath our feet, a dynamic, ever-changing foundation. Finally, the biosphere, the web of life that includes every plant, animal, and microorganism on Earth, each playing a crucial role in this grand machine. Without even realizing it, we're living on a colossal cosmic engine. Imagine Earth as a living being, breathing in and out. Just as we humans inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, our planet too, in a way, breathes. This vital breath of life, this ebb and flow, is a dance between Earth's atmosphere and its life forms, an intricate choreography that has sustained life for billions of years. The air we breathe is a cocktail of gases, primarily nitrogen and oxygen, with traces of argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases. This blend is not a static mix. It's ever-changing, shaped by Earth's living organisms and natural processes. Take oxygen, for instance. It's a life giver, a vital component that fuels our bodies. And yet, it makes up only about 21% of the atmosphere. Where does it come from? The answer is all around us, in the greenery that covers our planet. Through a process known as photosynthesis, plants and algae absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide to produce oxygen and glucose. This oxygen then diffuses into the atmosphere, ready for us to inhale. On the flip side, every time we exhale, we release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide doesn't just disappear. Instead, it's absorbed by plants in a beautiful symbiosis, a cycle that connects every breath we take to the life around us. But the oxygen-carbon dioxide cycle is not just about us and the plants. It's a much larger system, a global conveyor belt that involves the oceans, the soil, and even the rocks. It's a delicate balance that has evolved over eons, shaping Earth's climate and giving rise to the diverse life forms we see today. So, you see, every breath we take, every moment of life, is a testament to this beautiful dance between Earth and its inhabitants. The air we breathe is not just a mixture of gases. It's a life force, a bond that ties us to every leaf on every tree, to every wave on every ocean. So every breath you take, remember, you're a part of Earth's never-ending cycle of life. Scene script. Water everywhere, but how does it all move around? Let's take a moment to marvel at Earth's hydrosphere, a massive interconnected system that covers about 70% of our planet. It's the vast oceans, the sprawling rivers, the tranquil lakes, and even the water vapor floating invisibly in the air around us. This is the realm of the water cycle, an incredible natural process that keeps Earth's water perpetually on the move. Picture this. The sun's heat warms the surface of the sea, causing the water to evaporate. This invisible vapor rises into the sky, where the cooler temperatures cause it to condense into fluffy clouds. As these clouds accumulate more and more water vapor, they become heavy. Eventually, they release this weight in the form of precipitation. The rain that falls on our heads, the snow that blankets our mountains, the sleet that pelts our windows. But the journey doesn't stop there. This water, once it hits the ground, has many paths to choose. Some of it will be absorbed by plants and returned to the atmosphere through transpiration. Some will be soaked up by the soil, replenishing our underground reservoirs or aquifers. And some will make its way back to the sea, carried by the rivers and streams, ready to begin the cycle anew. In this grand water cycle, every drop of water on Earth is constantly in motion, moving from the seas to the sky and back again. It's a perfect, self-sustaining system, a ceaseless dance choreographed by the forces of nature. And it's not just about moving water around. No, this cycle is vital for supporting life on Earth. It distributes heat around the planet, helping to regulate our climate. It provides the fresh water that we, and all living creatures, need to survive. It shapes our landscapes, carves our valleys, fills our oceans. It's a testament to the intricate, interconnected workings of our planet. Just like a giant water wheel, our Earth keeps the life-giving fluid in constant motion. Beneath our feet lies a world of unimaginable heat and pressure, a realm that, while unseen, holds the keys to our planet's most monumental processes. This is the geosphere, the solid part of the Earth that includes the crust, mantle, and core. It's a world of ceaseless activity, a testament to the dynamism of our planet. The geosphere is not a static entity, rather it's a vast jigsaw puzzle made up of enormous slabs called tectonic plates. These plates, some the size of continents, float on the semi-fluid layer of the mantle, driven by the heat emanating from the Earth's core. Imagine a pot of soup on the boil. The heat source, akin to the Earth's core, sets the soup, or the mantle, into motion. The croutons floating on the soup, much like our tectonic plates, move about, colliding, pulling apart or sliding past one another. This is the essence of plate tectonics, a process that shapes and reshapes the world we inhabit. When these gigantic plates collide, they form mountain ranges like the mighty Himalayas. When they pull apart, they create vast chasms, which can fill with seawater to form oceans, or expose magma to the surface, creating volcanic activity. And when they slide past each other, the tension can cause earthquakes, releasing energy in waves that shake the Earth's surface. Every hill, every valley, every plain we see around us is the result of these tectonic ballets. They've sculpted our landscapes, created our continents, and even influenced our climate. They are the unseen artists, tirelessly molding the Earth's canvas, driven by the heat of the Earth's core and the ceaseless churn of the mantle. So the next time you feel the firm ground beneath your feet, remember, it's not as solid as it seems. Beneath us, the Earth is always moving, always changing, sculpting our landscapes. It's a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet, a constant reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath our feet. From the smallest microorganism to the largest mammal, we're all connected. We're not just speaking metaphorically here. This connection is literal, and it's what makes our planet so unique. We call it the biosphere, the global sum of all ecosystems, the sphere of life on Earth. It's like a giant web, interlacing all forms of life into a beautiful and complex tapestry. Now think about the food chains you learned about in school. The grass that's eaten by the rabbit, which in turn falls prey to the fox. This is a simple example, but it illustrates the fundamental principle of interdependence. Every creature, be it a microscopic bacterium or a humpback whale, plays a role in this grand play of life. They're all important, all necessary, and these food chains, they don't exist in isolation. They're part of larger systems we call ecosystems. A forest, a desert, a coral reef. Each one is a unique stage set by the Earth, where different actors play their parts. Some are predators, others are prey, some are decomposers, turning death into life. It's a cycle of energy, constantly in motion. But here's the thing. The beauty of this web of life isn't just about its complexity, it's about its diversity. The Earth is a master artist, painting life in countless forms, each one a product of millions of years of evolution. This biodiversity, this variety of life, is what gives our planet its resilience. It's what allows life to persist, to adapt, to evolve. Yet, this web is delicate. The threads can be broken, the balance can be upset, and when that happens, the consequences ripple through the entire system. It's a reminder that we, as part of this web, have a responsibility. We're not just observers, we're participants. We're all threads in the great web of life woven by the Earth itself. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? But it's also a call to action, to respect, to protect, to cherish this extraordinary world we're a part of. After all, we're not just living on Earth, we're part of Earth, part of this remarkable web of life. All these parts working together create a symphony of cosmic proportions. Imagine an orchestra where each instrument plays a vital role in creating harmony. Just like that, every component of our Earth, from the tiniest microorganism to the vast oceans, the mountains, the air we breathe, the unseen engine beneath our feet, all play together in a grand cosmic symphony. These parts don't perform in isolation. They are interconnected, each one influencing and being influenced by the other. It's a dance of give and take, a balance that's been delicately maintained for billions of years. And the conductor of this symphony, the laws of nature, guiding every movement, every change, every cycle, to ensure the music plays on. So remember, we're not just passive spectators in this cosmic concert. We're part of the orchestra. Our actions, our choices, they all contribute to the melody. Our Earth, a grand cosmic symphony, continues to play its song of life, and we're all part of this beautiful melody.